Easily they can fly, okay? Our public is not going to throw one stone also to Amit Shah. Why he is afraid of so much? And why he is blocking road? If we are not going to pay 1 day, late fee is there for GST. And now he is blocking half an hour in this road. Who will pay that half an hour payment? Each and every minute there is money. They think they need only money. We are like puppet.
Don't you see like the government or the situation they feel because they don't give the notification.
Nilai apsa, kamu dia super apsa abad. Saban pun ikan sabat. Long dah fis dah kia sodo kata-kata. Lihat ni ke surak rahasia. Lani I bit state holiday lah biar. Ini song biar here. Naik pun kurang baik. Kamu dia apa kai ni hiru bah HP kam HP ye. Tolong kata VIP culture mut tolong ayah hadukan tu. Hadukan tu. Tinang penyadu beli kilang stupid hadukan ikan dia. Beli kilang illiterate hadukan ikan ni kidan haka buar kidan haka an tambah kilang illiterate sebab palat. Ha?